Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, now let's talk about the dollar yen. Okay, so the dollar yen traded rather choppily this week. Not unexpected. Yeah. So on the weekly there was a signal, right? A signal that price would retrace deeper. And this week ended up bullish, but still trading within a channel, right? So there is some form of uncertainty, right? Price is consolidating, looking for the next direction. So I think in the following week, we could see some upside, right? But we have a strong bias to the downside, right? And this week's green candle hasn't invalidated our strong bias to the downside. So the reason why there is a strong bias to the downside is because there are areas that needs to be tested and price levels that needs to be liquidated before a sustainable price action to the upside can happen. For our bear case, structurally on the 4 hour, it looks, if I just do this, it looks really ready to go up from here. Right, to break up further to the upside. Right, this, if it holds this level, it's going to go up. Right, break our channel, and then go back up. And it probably in the coming week will break the top, but the move should be fairly capped because in the weekly, we cannot ignore this extremely bearish red candle. And we cannot ignore that it is some distance away from this MA, right? Which could be retested before more upside can happen. So for the dollar yen, we're really looking for some deeper retracement. Right? Break up and then break back down, maybe retest 112 before more upside. Now for the bull case, it is possible that price breaks all-time high, maybe even further than all-time high before correcting downwards. So, like most pairs, in the coming week, at least the coming 2 weeks, we want to reduce position size, right? Despite our bias. So we're not long this thing, we're looking for shorts only. So let's wait for price to go back up and then look for a short entry for the dollar yen.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.